up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you are new here. So today we are in my dining room and I am going to be decorating my new mantle, you guys, for the Christmas season. Now my mantle is not complete. I still have some things that I want to do to it, but I figured for the Christmas season, I'm going to go ahead and just dress it. And then for the new year, we will go ahead and finish what we've started. So I am just fixing my wreath. I've always had this wreath, but I'm just going to embellish it a little bit with some red ribbons and some bells and dress her for the occasion. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. And you can do it as well. You can choose bells, you could choose reindeers, you could choose whatever you'd like to put on your wreath. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long, we're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
So now we are moving on to my garland. And this garland I got from Marshall's last year, I believe. And I just love it. I sound like I'm short of breath because I just ran up the steps. But I just love the way that it looks. I love how it lays on the mantle itself. I actually want to go and pick up a couple of these because I want to do something different for my fireplace in the family room, the living room area, and I need some droopy garlands. So I'm going to go ahead and check out Marshall's this year to see if they have anything, but I'm adding the mirror and I'm just going to add some decor touches to it. Y'all, when I tell you, I love the way that this mantle turned out. It's like not a lot. It's over the top, but it's very simple in style. And I just love the way that it looks. And I'm so excited about it. I'm so happy that I made this mantle. And I cannot wait to finish it and show you guys what is in my head. My kids love it. My husband came home from work and he was just like, oh my gosh, this looks absolutely amazing. So I am just loving the way that it's looking. And I love just the vibe, you guys, that it's giving my dining room, my home. Like I'm so happy that I started out in the dining room, but it's just looking so fabulous in here. And I can't wait for you guys to see the entire room in its entirety.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now.
So these little pics I got from Amazon, and I will link them down below for you. I'm just going to put 4 of them together to form sort of like a little, oh my gosh, I can't remember the name of it now, but you'll see, like a little swag. I'm going to put it over the tallest mirror that's on the wall, and I am going to magically wrap it into ribbons. You guys, I am so silly. But I just love using the velvet ribbon with the satin ribbons. I think it's such a luxurious feeling, and I love the way that the two pairs together, and with the greenery. Oh my gosh, chef's kiss. I just love the way that it looks. But you guys will see what it looks like. And the wreath, I actually ended up hanging it on the mirror, just because I didn't like the way it looked just sitting down on the mantle itself. It kind of looked a little messy, though I'm going for a more whimsical, messy look, but I want it to be messy, but you know, with order. If that makes sense. So I am just cutting the ribbon and giving it like that fishtail look, because I love that look. I think it's classy and it's very sophisticated. And so, yeah, you guys will get to see what everything looks like.
Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Did y'all like that transition? I thought it's something new that I'm trying out with my videos, different transitions. But y'all, oh my gosh, can y'all just live? Like, it looks incredible. I love it so much. There is an inspiration that I got the idea from on Pinterest, and I will show you. Well, I'm not going to show you in this video. I guess I should show you, but it looks almost identical, but not really. And I just love the way that this turned out, you guys. It's so festive. It's Christmas with the tree, and oh my gosh, when I tell you, this dining room is turning out to look so amazing, more than what I thought, you know, in my mind for it to be. It's just turning out to look so beautiful and festive, and it's Christmas. It screams Christmas, and it just reminds me of like New York City, Rockefeller Plaza, you know, like it's just so beautiful. And I just absolutely love the vibrant reds and, you know, the colors with the golds and just all the classic details. I am really, really loving it so far. So let me know what you guys think down below. Is this something that you will try in your home? And definitely let me know what you are thinking about your theme for your Christmas decorating in your home. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.